Good day, this is Koryaiko Philippines. Meet the Koryaiko ZF64WP, a powerful, precise grinder built for performance. But to keep it grinding like new, regular cleaning is a must. In today's video, I show you exactly how to clean your ZF64WP step by step. First, make sure your grinder is turned off and unplugged. Safety always comes first. Next, remove the hopper, turn it gently and lift it off. Pour out any leftover beans. If there are beans stuck at the very bottom or inside the burrs, switch to manual mode and grind out the remaining beans until the chamber is fully empty. And now you can wipe the inside with a dry cloth. Take note, this part of cleaning is advisable to do daily, every after use or after the grinder operation, to prevent oil buildup and stale residue. To clean the burrs, you'll need to access them. But first, let's remove this hopper. And then turn the grind adjustment all the way to burrs. And then remove the top plate or the burr carrier. This will expose the burrs for cleaning. Use a cleaning brush to remove all grounds from the burrs and inside the chamber. Never use water, just a dry brush or vacuum if available. Once everything is clean, it's time to reassemble your grinder. Start with the burr carrier. Make sure to align it with the 3 holes on the chamber. Next, place the top plate back on. Now, push the burr carrier down and rotate it clockwise first to lock it in place. Then slowly rotate it counterclockwise together with the top plate until it reaches the alignment mark. If the rotation becomes tight, that means the upper and the lower burrs are now in contact, which is your sign that the alignment is correct. Once everything is aligned, you can now return to your preferred grind settings. And for the final check, plug the grinder back in and run a quick test. Make sure the grinder sounds normal and smooth. This tells you the burrs are properly aligned and everything is working as it should. Thanks for watching!